All right, so a little bit different this Tune Tuesday. I figured we would do some of the sounds of the season. So, what about Thurl Ravenscroft? You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah, that's kind of that. Then there's Elvis. How blue Christmas without you. You know, and then you got Bing and Bowie, of course. You know, how that holy peace on earth. Can it be? You know, you got that. Then you got John Lennon, you know. So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Right? Then you got the Beach Boys. Way up north where the air gets cold, here's a gang, you know. Run, run, reindeer. That kind of thing. But then you got like Lou Monte, you know, hey, jiggity jinga hee haw, it's Dominic the donkey. You got that one. Then you got, sir, I wanna buy these shoes. Yeah, you've heard these songs, right? So then you got Ray Charles. Christmas is the time of year, you know, singing songs about Jesus, blessed way that he came. You've heard that one, right? And then you got Groban, right? You know, Noel, and Josh Groban, there's that. Then there's Tom Petty, you know, it's Christmas time again. Oh, baby, it's Christmas. You know, and then there's Bryan Adams. We waited all through the year. What about Bono? You know, well, tonight, thank God it's them instead of you. And then you got Bruce Springsteen, of course, you know, Santa Claus is coming to town. Hey, Clarence, you got your new saxophone? Oh, that's not many of you. So, Merry Christmas. Sounds of the season.